The Mexican Geological Survey presents Experimental Centers. Mexico is a privileged country with a great wealth of mineral resources. We can strategically use its huge geological mining potential thanks to the new technologies and tools that the Mexican Geological Survey has implemented in its business areas and its 2 experimental centers equipped with innovations that allow it to provide quality services in the characterization of minerals, quantitative chemical analysis, and metallurgical studies, which act as a support for decision-making. The Mexican Geological Survey, also known as the SGM, prepares studies that have major success and impacts through rigorous testing and studies that the industry requires for the description of minerals present in samples, of their texture and micro-texture aspects by quantifying the elements present in the samples through chemical analysis of both metallic and non-metallic minerals, and to thereby the processing schemes for obtaining concentrates with market specifications as a result of tests and metallurgic studies. The services are performed using high technology, including X-ray diffraction, equipment used in the identification and semi-quantitative analysis of mineral types with defined red crystalline, contained in geological materials including rocks, soils, sediments, and metallurgic products. Scanning electron microscope. This is used to create detailed images of mineral samples for studying their microstructure, magnified by up to 300,000 times. In metallurgy, it is used to determine very finely ground minerals and their microtexture aspects in products with problems of recovery. In exploration, in the accurate determination of trace minerals. This tool is essential for the economic evaluation and viability of a mining project. X-ray fluorescence spectrometer. Instrument for qualitative and quantitative analysis of the elements present, from beryllium to uranium, in samples of compacted powder or in the form of glazed pearl. OPTIC microscopes. Equipment used for identifying mineral types through their optical properties via reflected light and transmitted in petrography and mineral microscopy, with the goal of classifying and determining the origin of rocks and mineralized ore based on their textural aspects and mineralogical associations. High logger. Equipment that records spectral details of the minerals present in drill cores, in splinters, or in rock slurry through reflectance. Geologists can use this technology to get an objective and quick mineralogical logging of their samples, especially of associations of hydrothermal alteration. Spectrometers for the simultaneous quantification of the elements present in the samples, from percentages to trace concentrations. We also provide metallurgic testing services in our pilot plants to confirm lab results, generating databases for the industrial plant design. To ensure the reliability of these study results, the experimental centers have highly specialized and experienced staff, and they follow strict quality protocols to support the accuracy and analytic precision, and are certified and accredited through international standards ISO 9001 and ISO 17025, respectively. Processing and delivery times are determined based on the number of samples, the type of service requested, and the pre-established commitments, respecting the delivery date agreed with the client. Prices are competitive and available on the Services Catalog website. Our services include chemical and geochemical analysis of mineral samples, sediments of streams, soils, foliage, and water. Studies of inorganic and organic petrography, minerographic studies, X-ray studies, differential thermal and gravimetric analysis, and fluid inclusions. We have a large variety of lab equipment to define the metallurgic concentration scheme to obtain concentrates with commercial specifications. The Mexican Geological Survey is proud to have 2 experimental centers with high technology whose contributions make a major impact on the Mexican economy. For more information on our experimental centers, visit our website www.sgm.gov.mx or visit our offices, where geology is for the service of Mexico. The Mexican Geological Survey. General Coordinating Office of Mining, Ministry of Economy, Federal Government.